prehistoric man looked upon illness as a spiritual event. The ill person was seen as having a spiritual failing or being possessed by demons. Medicine practiced during this period and for centuries onward focused on removing these demons and cleansing the body or spirit of the ill person. Religious rituals were the means to heal. With advances in civilization, healers focused on treatments that seemed to work. They used herbal and traditional medicines and became more skilled over the centuries. Most of the civilization had their own way to believe in healing human life, like Q in China, chakra in India, humus in Europe. As the time passed by, human beings developed much sophisticated and advanced remedies and technologies in pharmaceuticals. And one of the leading manufacturers are Suraksha Group of companies. Suraksha was conceptualized and visualized in Hyderabad and started operations in 2007.
Suraksha is a quality-driven pharmaceutical and nutraceutical manufacturing, marketing, exports and research-oriented group with a mission to lead the society to a healthier domain.
The activities to accomplish this mission were initiated by well-qualified professionals. Chairman M.V.K. Nageswara Rao. Managing Director Dr. M. Nageswara Rao Gupta. Director M. Someswara Rao. Director M. Padmaja Rani. It houses all the important departments like purchase, sales, marketing, exports, finance, regulatory, logistics, supply chain, HR, etc. In a short span, Suraksha has carved a niche as a diversified and backward integrated pharmaceutical group. Team Suraksha is pooled by diligent experts and technocrats who consistently strive to be better than the best pharmaceutical group. The varied and diversified companies under Suraksha umbrella are Suraksha Pharma Private Limited, Suraksha Foils, Suraksha Research Foundation, Sumejis Pharma Private Limited, Roorkee Research and Analytical Labs Private Limited, Scott Pharma Private Limited, and MMC Healthcare Limited. Broadly, group verticals are APIs, pellets, nutraceuticals, foil printing, protein supplements, cosmetics, specialty soaps, medical device, formulations, business models, epitomes, domestic and global sales and marketing, turnkey solutions, contract manufacturing and research. Quality speaks through our accreditations. ISO 9001-2008, WHO GMP, NHP Canada, FSSAI. Our marketing divisions are Sulcus, Simply Life, Impulse, Impacts Life, Litax Life Care, Life in Your Hands, Unicorn, innovating life. Nextra, life nutritious. Magnum, more and more life. Our domestic operations has pan-India presence. We manufacture and market more than 500 formulations covering over 10,000 doctors, 25,000 retailers and wholesalers with strong supply chain. As we have our branches in Roorkee, Jaipur, Hyderabad and Bhimavaram. Our core focus is specialty divisions like psychiatry, neuro, cardiac, diabetic, gynec, ortho, etc. We are pioneers in double-layered, fast-dissolving, mouth-dissolving and matrix technologies. We do supplies to government institutions like Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Orissa, Kerala, Gujarat, Jammu, Velugu Project, IMH. Our global presence is felt over 50 plus countries, covering Asia, Africa, CIS, North America and Latin America like Canada, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, Ghana, Myanmar, Philippines, Vietnam, Kenya, Cambodia, Armenia, Thailand, Uzbekistan, Madagascar, Mozambique, Egypt, Maldives, Hong Kong. Our global offices are in USA and Egypt to monitor overseas operations. Our research foundation has entered MOU with Andhra University, Vishnu Institute of Pharmaceutical Education, HK College of Pharmacy for research and development activities and continuous knowledge updation. Our CSR initiative has organized many free medical camps and distributed free medicines to NGOs like Ashray Akruti, HelpAge India, Institute of Mental Health, Mother Teresa Foundation, etc. A brief about our flagship company. Suraksha Pharma Private Limited has constructed state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in the hilly states of Uttarakhand. The plant is equipped with modern, high-end machines and integrated packaging lines to be cost-efficient. The plant has good capacities for manufacturing of dosage forms like tablets, capsules, dry syrups and sachets of beta-lactam and non-beta-lactam sections. We are manufacturing for around 125 plus companies and more than 2,500 formulations covering entire range of disease spectrum. We have very intense quality checks and steps during the entire production cycles, following global standards of manufacturing and quality assurances.
Suraksha is a one-stop solution for all pharmaceutical needs. Suraksha will ensure maximum customer satisfaction and quality improvement all times. Suraksha's policy is to deliver high quality, safe and effective formulations covering pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals, specialty soaps, herbal cosmetics and Ayurvedic cosmetics. In entire process of manufacturing to marketing to logistics to distribution, quality is our prime.
Suraksha has top-class R&D block which works consistently for cost-effective, technically superior formulations to cater to global markets. Research works are focused on varied range of products and specialized in double-layer technology of tri-combination products, mouth-dissolving, sublingual formulations, and numerous multivitamin combinations. Suraksha has lot of thrust towards R&D efforts and has successfully launched few technologies through its indigenous research. It has tie-ups with reputed universities, research institutes, government-approved R&D centers for regular upgradation of technologies and knowledge sharing.
I Subramanya Maila, Head R&D in Suraksha Pharma. Our R&D block is fully equipped with automated and PLC systems. Our R&D block is environmental controlled with HVAC systems. We had developed 25 formulations within the span of 12 months.
In our entire R&D block, all machines are fully automated and PLC based systems. Entire temperature is controlled by HVAC systems. All our flooring is epoxy flooring. In a short span of 12 months, we had developed more than 25 formulations. Apart from that, more than 25 formulations in the pipeline.
Suraksha policy is to preserve and improve patient health by consistently delivering high quality, safe and effective medicines at all times. Our vision is to make our group company presence felt in over 100 countries in next 3 to 4 years.
To make your journey successful, we appreciate Suraksha employees and their families for their continuous support. 5 groups, 7 divisions, 9 verticals, 50 countries, 500 products, and it's just the beginning.
Suraksha, we care for life. Suraksha, we care for life. Suraksha, we care for life.
To Raksha Group of Companies.